Hello, my name is Paige Miller. Welcome to my professional web portfolio for our assignment. This is my homepage. Um, I liked the background because it kind of reminded me of digital items that you see, and it was just kind of fun. I liked the colors. I'm kind of a plain Jane, and I like the darker colors, so it kind of reflected me and my personality as well. I put a picture of a cell phone um, that's being taken apart and worked on because that is something that I do, not a whole lot of taking the phones apart themselves, but specifically working on them. So I thought that represented what I do with digital forensics very well. And I put some keywords on the right side to represent me: focused, driven. I'm a team player. I'm dedicated. I did scale my screen to fit the Screen-O-Matic. So it did roll dedicated down to 2 lines. And then if you're wondering if I'm a good fit, please continue to look through. So the next page would be about me. And there's a picture of me at work, in my office, not in the lab. And I put a little narrative about who I am and what this assignment is, and a little bit about my career. I began helping youth for the inner city, and that led me to working at a curfew center with a local district judge, and I got to know him very well, and I ended up going to work for him as his office manager. And I eventually transferred to the technology department, where the district attorney's office stole me for the digital forensics, and that is my happy little job now that I absolutely love. It is not glamorous by any means. So that's a little bit about me. And again, those keywords pulled over from the first page. And then I do have my credit down here for my logo up there, the top left of my name. It is a magnifying glass and it has binary code in it. So I thought that was pretty catchy for digital forensics. I actually really enjoyed doing that. I didn't think I would, so that surprised me. The hardest part about this assignment, I think, was coming up with what to say about me that didn't sound self-indulged or uh, too skimpy. I'm not good at that, so I think that was the hardest part. Luckily for me, I had a resume since I've been in the profession, the workforce for quite a few years, being an adult learner. So I just threw that on here. I like the little preview, and then you can click on it and it'll pop up so you can print out the PDF. Professional trainings, I've had a lot since COVID began. Uh, Business kind of slowed down, so it was a good opportunity to brush up on new things or keep fresh on items that I might not have been using in a practical application. Uh, so here is a list of the most recent ones that I attended. They are webinars, easy to do. Certifications that I've received, I currently hold 2 for Celebrate. I will be leaving at the end of April to go to Orlando for a 2-week long conference for computer forensics, and then I will be starting this certification process. I'm really excited about it. It's very big for my employer and the County of York. I will be one of 3 people that is certified for our county, and that's for all law enforcement within the county. It's pretty big doings. It'll speed up resolutions to cases and investigations. So everyone's really excited. I hope that I don't fall on my face. And then eventually one day I would really like to go to the Secret Service National Computer Forensic Institute. It's in Alabama. It's a 5 week long training for the main one, and then they have a whole bunch of other little ones. But I figured who better to learn digital forensics from than the Secret Service? So that is like my big nerdy goal right there. And then contact me. I put in a little fill out the form to reach me, my name, your email, your phone number, and then the message that you would like to send me, and then of course submit. My contact information is also on the resume, but that would be a little quicker if someone just wanted to shoot me a little, hey, we saw your page. So that is a little bit about my web portfolio. I'm not sure that I will necessarily need it in the future, but I think it's pretty cool that I made one. I'm kind of proud of it. So that's me. Feel free to poke around and spend a little more time looking at things. Thank you.